Welcome. If your phone keeps buzzing every time Snapchat sends a story reminder and you'd rather keep things a bit quieter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn off vibration for story reminder notifications on Snapchat using your phone's settings. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls and app permissions live. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of installed apps. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. Inside the Snapchat app settings, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how Snapchat alerts you. Now, look for notification categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications, giving you more control over each one. Scroll through the list until you find story reminders, then tap on it. Here, you'll see several options related to how these notifications behave. Look for the Vibrate option and simply toggle it off. That's it. From now on, you'll still receive story reminder notifications, but without the vibration. It's a great way to reduce distractions while staying updated. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tips to customize your apps exactly the way you like them.